Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about NPV and IRR function, or net present value and internal rate of return. So here you can see we have three projects. So first of all, I want to find out in which project I invest in order to get more profit during this period of 3 years. So here first of all I want to calculate the NPV or net present value for each of these. So I just come here and write here equal sign NPV tab, and here first of all I select the rate, after that comma, and here is the thing. So first of all I select the cash flow, close the bracket, plus initial investment and enter. You can see the NPV or net present value in this first project will be $529,000. So I want to find the second project. We do the same process, just equal sign NPV, and here select the rate, comma, select the cash flows, close the bracket, plus initial investment and enter. So the next one we do the same NPV, the rate, comma, select the cash flows, close the bracket, initial investment and enter. So you can see here I earn more than $500,000 here, and here I earn around 4,000, and here 3.5. So when we see this, we think that we get more benefit here, but that's not true, because we invest here $2 million, and here 1.5, and here $1 million. So the investment is different. So here I have to find the internal rate of return. So in order to compare it and understand this, how much we will get, it will return the percentage for us. I just type here equal sign IRR, and here I just select the entire cash flows and initial investments. I select all of these. So in this case I can guess like how many percent I will get, so I just leave it as it is, close the bracket and enter. You can see the internal rate of return is 17% here. I want to apply this here, equal sign or IRR, select the values and enter, and the same here, equal sign IRR, select the value and enter. You can see here is 21%, and here 16%, and here 17%. Of course, if you invest in third project, we will get more profit. So that's it about IRR and NPV. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.